Are you tired of watching your crypto portfolio bleed red? Sick of seeing your hard-earned money evaporate into thin air? Well, buckle up, crypto warriors, because I've got some groundbreaking news that could change everything. Cardano ADA, the sleeping giant of the crypto world, is about to roar back to life. That's right, I'm talking about a potential price surge to a staggering $2.70 per ADA token. And that's not just wishful thinking, folks. It's backed by cold, hard market data and technical analysis. We're on the brink of a major crypto reversal. The crypto winter is finally ending, and Cardano is poised to lead the charge. Forget about Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's time to focus on the underdogs, the hidden gems that are about to explode. Cardano is a robust blockchain technology and has a growing army of dedicated community supporters, and it's ready to steal the show. But don't just take my word for it. We've secured the market analysis, the charts, and covered a treasure trove of bullish indicators that are screaming buy Cardano now. In this video, we're going to deep dive into the data, reveal the secret source that fuels the Cardano rally, and shows you exactly why $2.70 is not just a pipe dream, but very much a possibility. So if you're ready to ride the wave of the next big crypto bull run, then stick around. This video is your golden ticket to financial freedom. Let's go. Cardano ADA price set for $2.70. Cardano 732% breakout looms large amid heightened developer activity. So this is really interesting. An analyst suggests that Cardano ADA is poised for a significant price rally, potentially reaching up to $2.70 in the near term. So short-term view, and surpassing $7.82 in the long term. So a long-term view there of $7.82. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments below. Really interested to get your views and opinions. Cardano is leading in blockchain development activity as well, worth adding. And I've talked about this several times on the channel already, and is preparing for a Chang hard fork. 72% of stakeholder pool operators have installed the necessary software. So, things are progressing nicely, but look, we can't sit here and pretend that this market isn't choppy, right? We've got to talk about everything else that's going on in the market, not just the positive stuff. So look, we're going to talk about Cardano's price drop of 4.7% despite low inflation rate, which we talked about before, which does set it apart from other projects, and the network upgrade. Things, in the market are not looking particularly healthy right now. So we've got to be mindful that we are expecting the market to be a little bit choppy. We are expecting the market, not to just constantly go upwards, but I am expecting a positive week. Towards the end of this week, I think we're going to be, potentially in a decent position for altcoins. And we are seeing some really good, healthy, corrections in the crypto market that I think are required. We got Bitcoin miner marathon digital plans 250 million private note sales to fund Bitcoin buying. Now, we are seeing a lot of really positive talk around, these big institutions, these big mining firms, potentially looking to purchase more Bitcoin. 𝗕𝗘𝗪's MicroStrategy is also looking to purchase more Bitcoin. So look, there is, I guess, the thought, at least in my mind, that the market is poised to do a reversal, like we've been talking about on, this video, talking about Cardano ADA. And look, I want to talk about the big Don Bitcoin and highlight the fact that things are, looking at a little bit more positive when it comes to, Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. So, this ETF stuff is really driving, more, I guess, adoption, faster adoption for Bitcoin. And I think we're going to see something very, very similar for the likes of Ethereum as well. So we shouldn't really be, I guess, looking at the market in a really negative way. These crashes that we've seen in the crypto market over the last few cycles, they've been a little bit daunting. They've been a little bit concerning, right? they've been this way because, you're unsure with, China banning crypto, all the negative regulations. You've been unsure whether the market actually has any sustainability about it, any longevity about it. But, with the ETFs and people, institutions talking about making these large purchases, I think these dips are for buying, these crashes are for buying. And I think, you can do that with confidence these days. And I think that's very different to where we've been in the past. But let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. And again, just a lot of stuff indicating that we should expect a reversal. Bitcoin signals potential bottom as market indicators turn bullish. Now, I'm still on the fence whether we've seen the bottom. I've talked about Q3 2024 being, a Fed pivot, a crypto crash, and a stock crash. I think we've got 2 of the 3 so far. And obviously, the Fed pivot is what I've been expecting for September. But look, the analyst at Crypto Quant, Bitcoin BTC is showing signs of hitting a local bottom in the recent early August sell-off, according to on-chain analytics, right? So these are like the firms that I would listen to. They're not like crypto influencers and stuff like that, but everybody has an agenda, and I think that a lot of communities, they don't seem to understand that crypto influencers, they might be getting paid to shill particular altcoins. They might actually be getting told to basically put out certain information and data, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's accurate. And I think that institutions and other crypto companies are the same. So look, really interesting stuff. But look, we've got Binance delisting 15 coins, Bitcoin Gold and Monero included. So I want to obviously make sure everybody's kept up to date on what is happening in the space. So do check out the cryptocurrencies that have been delisted from Binance. I think it's really important that we keep up to date with all of this stuff. We've got gold is outperforming Bitcoin as AI bubble and geopolitics, if I can get my words out, risks drive investors towards safe haven. I found this really interesting because I think it does demonstrate that Bitcoin is still not the actual, safe haven, right? It really isn't. It's fallen in price alongside stocks. So it isn't how it's being pitched right now, but that doesn't mean that it isn't in the future. So just be mindful of that. I wanted to include it because I think it's important that people have a good understanding of what's going on in the market, not just the crypto market, but other financial instruments. It's really important. We got Bitcoin miner Argo repays $35 million bailout loan from Galaxy Digital. Again, London-based firm, Rapid repaid the loan ahead of schedule. So again, this was to sustain operations, and I think that was something that was massively required at the time. And for me, is a really interesting development, seeing that they've done it early ahead of schedule. So look, those are my market updates. I think it's important that we join the free Discord. Link is in the description of the video. There's over 7,000 people supporting one another, navigate this market safely, talking about crypto, all different levels of experience in the space. So I think that it is a no-brainer to join the free Discord. What I would also add is we have seen a really large number of investments in infrastructure in the crypto space, right? And we're seeing VC investments skyrocket. Huge amounts of investments of capital have been pouring into infrastructure. So look, I would be heavily focused on infrastructure projects. I would be focused on real world asset projects. I would be focused on AI projects, and I would be focused on compliant privacy projects. These are protocols that enable you to mask and unmask your transactions, your data, and much more. I think that these are really key aspects of the blockchain that are required. And I think if you can find the right ones, you will do really, really well in this next bull run and further down the road. Look, let me know your thoughts and opinions on everything we've covered off in today's video. Don't forget, we've got the World Mobile Air Node sale coming up. Join us in the free Discord. Ask how to take part there. We are now partnered with World Mobile to distribute their air nodes. So, you've got a great opportunity to participate with Cheeky Crypto in the Cheeky Crypto Discord. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. But don't just take my word. Fuck off. Why can't I fucking talk today?